Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll show you like the steps how you can customize your Brave browser on your Mac, especially on your Mac, to so that you can get the best experience out of your Brave browser. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. But first let me just share my screen with you guys so that you can see what I'm talking about. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that this step is also the same as on Windows. Like the steps on that I show over here on Mac is the same as on Windows. So yes, now let's move to the main video. So as you can see my screen, first launch Brave browser. So first let me just so for the first time you'll see something like this. So first, if you want to set it as default, then you can press ahead and set it as default, but I'll not. So first what you need to do is go to settings, then go to first go to shield. So then here come down to trackers and ad blocking here, and switch to aggressive mode, then come down. Okay, so here everything is fine. So if you want a very clean look, so what you want to do is I want to show my bookmark bar only on the new tab page, so that's fine in my case. If you don't like the bookmark page, and here it's the bookmark tab bar, so if you don't want that, then you can go ahead and turn it off and go ahead to never. Then if you want to disable this Brave news button, which one is that, then you can do that. Then also if you want to disable this Leo button, then go ahead and do that. Then also the rewards button, wallet button, also the sidebar button, even the VPN button too. And you can use the autocomplete here also. And if you like to use the wide address bar, and if you want to use the wide address bar, then you can go ahead and do this. Then it will switch to wide address bar. Then if you want to use vertical tabs, then you can do that also, but I like the horizontal one. So yes, this is all about the appearance stuff. Now if you want to come down to search engine, here the default will be Brave. So what you need to do is just go ahead and select Google and set this as default for normal window, and for private window too also just set Google as your default search engine. And yes, and if you have another phone that uses if you have a Brave sync chain, then you can just go ahead and enter your sync chain. So for now I'll not just use that. And for accessibility, here if you want clipboard confirmation stuff, then you can use this. Otherwise I'll just leave it on here, so it doesn't matter. I'm not bothered with this. So what you can do is enable memory saver, so it will try to save battery and also RAM of your device. And it's the balance should be recommended. Balance is recommended. If you want a maximum RAM saving, then you go ahead and select the maximum button. And also power saver on, this happens when there is a battery is when below 20%, the power saver energy saver mode will turn on. Okay, so yes, this is all about if you want to go to yes. So yes, this is all about this is how you can customize your Brave on your Mac for the first time. So after customizing it, you will get the best experience out of your Brave browser. So yes, if you found this video helpful, do give it a like and share it with your friends. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.